Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into 5 powerful Linux tweaks that most users completely overlook. These tweaks can boost your system performance, speed up app launches, and even extend your battery life. Whether you're on a low-end laptop or a high-spec desktop, these tips will make your Linux run smoother and smarter. We'll cover memory optimization, faster DNS, better power management, and more. All commands are beginner-friendly and can be applied in just a few minutes. So grab your terminal and let's unlock the full potential of your Linux machine.
Let's start with one of the most underrated Linux performance hacks, enabling zRAM. This is especially helpful if you're using a system with 4 GB of RAM or less. Normally, when your RAM fills up, Linux starts using swap, which is disk space, and it's much slower. But with zRAM, Linux compresses memory blocks right inside RAM itself, so you can squeeze out more performance without ever touching that slow hard disk swap. It's super simple to enable. Just run this command in the terminal: sudo install zram-config. This installs and activates zRAM automatically. No extra configuration needed in most cases. This tweak is perfect for old laptops or Raspberry Pi setups. Sadly, most people skip it, even though it can massively improve responsiveness on lower-end hardware. Once enabled, you can check it using htop. Look for compressed memory. That's zRAM doing its magic. So that's zRAM, a hidden gem for memory optimization. It's quick to set up, lightweight, and can breathe new life into an aging Linux machine.
Next up, let's speed up your app launches with a smart and simple tool called Preload. Preload is like having a personal assistant for your system memory. It watches which apps you use most often and then preloads them quietly in the background. The result? Your favorite apps launch almost instantly, even if your hardware isn't top-notch. To install Preload, open your terminal and type sudo apt install preload. That's it. It runs as a background service. No need to launch it manually or configure anything. Give it some time to learn your habits, usually a day or two. Once it gets the pattern, apps like your file manager, browser, or terminal will load significantly faster. Unfortunately, most Linux users never even hear about Preload, even though it's just one command away and works like magic. Now, here's a tweak that directly affects your internet speed, and most people totally ignore it. I'm talking about switching to a faster DNS provider. Your system uses DNS to translate website names into IP addresses, but the default DNS from your ISP is often slow or unreliable. Switching to a faster DNS like Cloudflare or Google DNS can noticeably speed up your web browsing. Here's how to do it in Linux using systemd resolved. First, open the DNS config file in a text editor, sudo nano-config. Then find the DNS section and change it to the changes are given in the description below. Save and exit, then apply the changes with sudo systemd resolved-resolved. This isn't just a browser trick. It speeds up any app that connects to the internet. Updates, streaming, cloud services, everything. Most users never touch their DNS settings. But this one simple tweak can make your whole Linux experience feel more responsive online. So take a minute, set a faster DNS, and enjoy smoother, faster, and more private internet access every time you go online.
Tweak number 4 is about something Linux users rarely adjust, but it can make a big difference if you have a decent amount of RAM. Let's talk about Swappiness. Swappiness controls how often Linux moves data from RAM to disk swap. The default setting is usually 60, which means Linux might start using swap even if your RAM isn't full. On systems with 8 GB RAM or more, or if you're using an SSD, this can lead to slower performance and extra wear on your drive. To check your current Swappiness value, type cat-proc-sys-vm-swappiness. Now, let's temporarily set it to something more reasonable, like 10. Sudo systol vm-swappiness-10. To make this change permanent, add it to your system config. Echo vm-swappiness-10-sudo-a-etc-systol-config. A lot of users with good hardware still experience lag, and Swappiness is often the silent culprit. Yet, it's a one-line fix. So lower that Swappiness, and you'll get better memory usage and a snappier desktop, especially if you multitask or work with heavy apps.
And finally, let's talk about battery life. Linux is awesome, but out of the box, it doesn't do much to optimize your power usage, especially on laptops. That's where TLP comes in. It's a smart, lightweight power management tool that automatically tweaks CPU, disk, and USB power settings to save battery, without you lifting a finger. To install TLP, just run sudo apt install TLP. Then start it with sudo TLP start. And that's it. No need for any complex setup. TLP will now run in the background and automatically apply optimized settings every time you boot your system. Most Linux laptop users never realize how unoptimized their system is for battery life. But with TLP, you can often extend your battery life by 30 to 60 minutes or more. So whether you're on the go, in a classroom, or working at a cafe, TLP helps your Linux laptop go the distance.